It's the familiarity of Microsoft, the power of Microsoft, and plus I forgot to point out what Acterys does is basically superpowers the Power BI. Cross Country is what we call an expedited LTL trucking company in the United States. We were looking for a piece of software or a tool that could pull all these things together, let us report, analyze everything in one platform. We did look at Board, Vena, Eric looked at Vanguard. I also looked at, we looked at Sisense. We looked at some adaptive insights and there wasn't one of them that didn't have some glaring deficiency of something that a need that we had that it didn't achieve. So essentially what we're saying is we're paying way more than we wanted to for any one of those products, and it wasn't going to do 100% of what we wanted to do anyway. As I mentioned, we were about ready to give up on looking at at BI tools or these tools that pulled everything together, and we were going to have hire the IT people and start programming this stuff in-house. When I came across Acterys, it's the familiarity of Microsoft, the power of Microsoft, and plus I forgot to point out what Acterys does is basically superpowers the Power BI. And then the third thing is the low cost of entry. As one of the references that Acterys had me talk to pointed out, he works for a much larger company, but he went to him and said, "Hey, I found the solution to this," and his boss thought that he was pulling a prank on him, because for what it did and what it cost and what it took to get started seemed ludicrously easy. And in the IT world, nothing is ever easy. So Acterys is kind of easy.